Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change your cabin air filter in your G05 series BMW X5. We will be using the Hengst cabin air filter that I have included in the description down below, the link, if you guys wanted to access that. Got it off of FCP Euro. All the tools that you will need is a 20mm Torx. So we'll start off by getting off these two latches right here that just spin, and these two just come down just like that. Cabin air filter is located right over here. So we're gonna get the star bit. We have two screws right over here. Once these are out, this just slides down just like this. You can also take this water line, which if you take off before, it'll make your life easier. Take this water line off, and this just slides right out, just like that. And as you can tell already, it was time to change these cabin filters. Which, when you are taking them out, take note of the airflow right here on the side. So this one that is towards the front, airflow is facing forward. Airflow. And then the one towards the back, or towards the front, sorry. Front of the car, back of me. Airflow is facing forward as well. So both of them, airflow is forward. Making sure that airflow is pointing forward. Get the new ones in. Put the water line, essentially do everything backwards, like you just did a few moments ago. And then one last step, putting this back on, which is probably the easiest thing out of the whole process. Boom, just like that. I got new air filters. If you take a look here, these aren't too horrible. But my biggest concern was the smell. We were getting a really horrible smell in the car. And if you're having the same problem, having a smell, some weird smell every time the air conditioning starts up, this might be your issue.